Look, I get it. Sometimes at night we get hungry, we get a little snacky. What are we going to have that's healthy-ish before we go to bed? I want to share with you one of my favorite 2-ingredient snacks and one way to really turn up the flavor and make it just the most delicious snack you've ever had. Let's go. We all have these things that we love to eat. Maybe it's a pint of ice cream. For me, my vice was M&Ms, plain M&Ms. I would buy a medium bag of M&Ms and rip through those baby like every 2 days by myself. I'd sit at night and have a bowl while watching TV. So trying to find better ways, especially when I hit 50, how I could eat healthier. So for me, now this is going to be, again, somewhat controversial. For me, mine and ingredient number one here is a piece of fruit. I like bananas. I also like apples. So some people obsess over how much sugar is in the fruit. I really don't obsess or even count how many grams of sugar or carbs. My diet is very simple. About 90% of it is meat, eggs, fish, fruit, and veggies, right? Now, some of you might be carnivore and only meat. Some of you are vegan. You do you, as always. Do what works for you. I'm sharing what works for me. About 90% meat, eggs, fish, fruit, veggies. The other 10% are beans, nuts, and then some whatever little snacks I want. So ingredient number one is going to be banana. Now, what are we going to pair it with? Because I do like to pair a fruit, like the carbs, with some protein. So what I'm going to do is pair it with ingredient number two, some type of nut butter. And there's different types. There's almond butter. I'm old school, baby. Peanut butter. I love pairing it with peanut butter. So here's all I do. Simply take the banana and I'll just cut up some slices. Get the peanut butter. Now, here's the big one, the big question, and write your comment below. Are you smooth or chunky? I'm all about the chunky peanut butter. Get the one that you like. So I just take a little bit of peanut butter, put it right on top, and I've got my beautiful little snack. Now, I did promise you how we're going to really up the flavor of this. Now, again, this is why I called it healthy-ish. Is it the healthiest thing in the world? Probably not. But if you're craving something, and especially like me, I love chocolate. I found this brand years and years ago. I went into New York City, down in the Village, and there was a shop called the Peanut Butter and Company, and their whole restaurant was just peanut butter. They've closed, but now they still sell their peanut butter, and the flavor I had was insane, called white chocolate. I think it was white chocolatey wonderful. I'm not a paid endorser. This is not a commercial. I'm simply sharing what I use. There is a link below. It's an Amazon link. It can make about 8 cents commission. So if you want to go get below, you can. But I love this because it has that chocolatey taste. Again, they add a little bit of sugar, but I'm okay with that. It's not a ton, and it's better than downing an entire bag of M&Ms. So when I'm looking for that little chocolate kick, I just put the white chocolate peanut butter right on there. You might be thinking, Ryan, that's great. White chocolate, awesome. What about dark chocolate? Boom, they have cinnamon. So there's a lot of really cool flavors. Again, you got the protein from the peanut butter. And yes, I know there's almond butter. That might be a better option for a nut butter. But if we're looking at giving ourselves a little bit of a break, not so much pressure to eat perfectly all the time, but I find pairing the fruit with this, with a little bit of the hint of the chocolate, for me, does the trick, and maybe it'll work for you. Find a brand that works for you. And don't feel guilty about indulging in some of this stuff. Don't have a jar at night. Maybe don't have 19 pieces of fruit, but a banana with a little bit of peanut butter. It's a really good snack at night and even during the day. And there have been times when I'm kind of in a rush and I'm not really hungry, well, I'll even have it for lunch. So go for it. And speaking of going for it, if you haven't grabbed my one-page journal, just write the number 5 below. This is going to help you live the most amazing life and feeling good. You just fill out the prompts every morning. Again, just write the number 5 below and it's yours. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm feeling a little snacky. Time to have some peanut butter and banana.